The aim is making a rectangular quilt by sewing together squares of fabric. Each square is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. The finished quilt must be at least 1.5 meters and wide and 2.1 meters long. Right, we're going to change these into centimeters. That's 150 centimeters, and that's 210 centimeters, because that's going to help me with this one. So it's now going to be 210, doesn't know which one's which. Let's have 210 centimeters along there and 150 centimeters there. And I need to know how many of these 12s fit all the way along here, and then I need to know how many 12s fit up here, and then we can multiply this together, see how many we got. So here I'm going to do 150, divide this by 12, and that is 12.5. And so the 12.5 squares, but it's got to be at least this big, so therefore it's going to be 13 squares up there. And I've got to do 210 centimeters, divide that by 12, and that equals 17.5 squares. So it's 17.5 of those long, but even if I use half a square, that still used that square. So therefore I have to round up to 18 squares. And how many have I got? I've got 18 by 13, and 18 by 13 equals 234. So that is the smallest number of squares she could use. The area of the finished quilt is about 3.4 square meters, and Amy says that 3.4 square meters is the same as 340 centimeters squared. Show that she's wrong. Well, 1 meter squared is 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters, which equals 100 times 100 is 100 with 2 extra zeros. So it's 10,000 centimeters squared, not 100 centimeters squared. So actually 3.4 meters squared is 4 got times by 10 and by 3 more. It's that actually. Be very careful with units. If you're doing units, I'd make sure the unit's always the same, like I did here, and change the 1.5 meters into 150 centimeters. Much easier. That's 5 done.